Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video let us see a few of the questions which would be useful for your competitive examinations. So let us see the first question here. If the 5-digit number 672xy is divided by 3711, then what is the value of 6x plus 5y? So here what they are telling is 672. Oh god, one second. Yes, so 672 xy. So this is being divided by 3, 7 and 11. So they are telling that it is divided by 3, 7 and 11. So now they are asking the value of this. Now if this number is divided by 3, 7, 11, then it means that LCM will also be divided. I mean the LCM of 3, 7, 11 also will be divided. So now what is the LCM of 3, 7, 11? All these are prime numbers, so 3 into 7 into 11, which is 21 into 11, and that is 11 ones 11, 11 22 231. So the LCM of this is 231, right? So now let us try to divide this with this. 231 is being 672xy is being divided by 231. Let us take the value of x comma y as 0 comma 0. I mean both the values as 0 and 0 for now, and let us try to divide it. So 672, I have told that we are gonna take the value of x and y as 0 and 0, and this is being divided with 231. Correct? This has been divided with 231, and this 231 is LCM of 3, 7 and 11. Right? So now 231 into 2, which is 462, and we will get as 210. Now yes, 210, and this 0 would be carried down. Next, 231 into 9 will be 2079, and this will be 21, and this 0 will be carry forwarded. So now here we have we have got the remainder as 210, right? Now this 210 plus something, that is this x and y, will be equal to 231. So that is 21, right? So 210 plus 21 will be 231. Therefore x is 2, and y is 1. Therefore x is 2 and y is 1. Now we have got the values of x and y, that is 2 and 1. Now let us try to find the value of 6x plus 5y. So x is 2 and y is 1. 6x plus 5y, which is 6 into 2 plus 5 into 1, which is 12 plus 5, which is 17. Therefore the answer would be 17 for this. Now let us see question number 2 here. So here we go with our second question. When 12, 16, 18, 20 and 25 divide the least number x, the remainder in each case is 4. So that means the least number x, the x will be divided by 12, 16, 18 and 20 and 25 as well. So when this is being divided, we will get in each case the remainder as 4. But this x is divisible by 7. Now what is the digit at the thousands place in x? So that is the one which we have to find out. Now, so since x is divisible by 7, it means that the LCM also would be divisible. Correct? The LCM of this also would be divisible. correct? So let us first find what is the LCM of 12, 16, 18, 20 and 25. So when I find this out, 12, 6, 8, 9, 10, 25, 2, 3, 4, 9, 5, 25 and 2, 4, 9, 5, 25. Sorry, here 2, right? 2. 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 25, and the last number would be 5, 2, 3, 1, 5. So when everything is being divided, which is 5 square into 3 square into 2 power 4, which is 25 into 9 into 16, which is 3600 when we multiply it. So the LCM of 12, 16, 18, 20, 25 is 3600. Now we are clear with this. Let us take it as 3600. Now let us try to divide this 3600 with this 7. So 7, 1, 7. 7 5s is 35 and 10, 7 1s 7, 37 4s is 28, correct? 28, and the remainder would be 2 here. We have got the remainder as 2 for this one. So this number is not completely divisible, correct? So now what they have actually told, this 3600 n into something that will be completely divisible plus 4, correct? Plus 4. So how this can be written, like since we have divided it, is with the 7 it is completely divided like 2 5 9 8 n plus 2n is the remainder plus 4. Now this has been divided, correct? This number is divided with 7 equally. That means we will get remainder as 0. Now similarly, let us find for 2 and plus 4 as well. So something into 2 plus 4, that will be divisible by 7. When we take 1, it won't work out. 2, no. 3, no. 4, no. 5, let us, 5, it is 5. So 5 2s is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2, right? I mean 2 is the answer. And remainder is 0. So the value of n is 2, correct? Sorry, the value of n is 5. I'm sorry, the value of n is 5, correct? So now this 3600 into 5 plus 4, where we will get as 18,000 plus 4, which is 18,004. 18,004. So now this 18,004 would be equally divided. So it is divisible. Now what they are asking, what is the digit at the thousands place? So in 1000 plus ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the answer would be 8. So the answer for this is 8. So here in this video we have solved 2 questions. So let us see few more questions in my next video, and if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.